In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use an ExpressVPN dedicated IP. A dedicated IP gives you a private fixed IP address that belongs only to your account. That can be especially useful for things like online banking, reducing repeated CAPTCHA checks, or accessing work systems that prefer a consistent login location. In ExpressVPN, this works through a special access code, which helps keep your dedicated IP private and secure. To begin, open ExpressVPN on your main device. You can do this from a supported app on Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, or Android. Before you start, make sure the app is fully updated to version 12 or later, since older versions may not show the dedicated IP setup option correctly. Once you're in the app, go to the add-on section. Under Privacy and Security, look for Dedicated IP and select Setup. This will start the setup process. Next, you'll choose your permanent location. This is important because your dedicated IP is tied to one specific location for the length of your billing cycle, so you won't be able to change it after setup. Carefully review the available country and city options, then choose the one that best fits your needs. When you're ready, select Continue. After that, you'll create your access code. This code is what allows your devices to unlock and use your dedicated IP. Make sure it's strong, unique, and at least 12 characters long. It should also be different from your main ExpressVPN account password. Re-enter it to confirm, then continue. You'll then have the option to copy the access code. Do that right away and save it somewhere secure, such as a trusted password manager. This part really matters because if you lose the code, it can't be recovered, and you could lose access to the dedicated IP entirely. Once it's saved safely, select Done. Now leave the app running and give the system time to finish provisioning your dedicated IP. This usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes. During this time, ExpressVPN is preparing your private routing setup in the background. When it's ready, you should see a notification saying your dedicated IP is ready to use. To connect, go back to the main dashboard and open the VPN locations menu using the three-dot icon. Find the dedicated IP section, select your new dedicated location, and press the power button. In a moment, the connection status should turn green, confirming that you're connected. If you want to use the same dedicated IP on another device, open ExpressVPN there, go to Add-ons, choose Dedicated IP, and select Unlock with Access.